This is rain. Right outside this lawn, and we had to bring our chairs in because they were getting soaked. It was coming down. If you can see it. Oh, it's slowing down. It was coming down here a second ago. Very pretty. Girls are very excited. We all came outside. Carly just walked outside and got all drenched. Here's Andy. He's doing all the work while I'm sitting outside videotaping. I think I'm going to go in and help him.